Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Bhagyashree Tech. And today I'm going to share very important information which will be helping you for your daily to daily tasks. Like every right now, I will say most of the people thinking or student thinking like how to become a problem solver in coding and development, because if you think we heard about the coder or software developer, that means they are problem solver. They are coming like as a solution when we are giving you some problems from the business perspective. What the idea you are given, that is okay, but work on that, execute the task and all, that will be like very important. We have to be get the proper result very early, like as soon as possible. I will say very constant timing over there. So you have to be work as soon as possible, give the solution to the client or business. So there is like, as a fresher, as a beginner, you have like thought, you are worried about that, like how we become a problem solver in development, how we like start to break the problem, how we can start like from the initial level or ground level. So for that purpose, what I do, I'm going to sharing here. So here you see we have first point, develop a problem solving mindset. Like first you have to be think like what you do if you have this situation as your personal, not as a business or client, like that. You have to be think like how you can do as some various solution over there, but what you can take as a more valuable technique from the available things and get the things resolved. So first we have to do like break down problem into smaller manageable tasks. Second, I will say embrace the failure and learn from the mistakes. Yeah, it is okay you are making a mistake, because you are a ground level, you are a fresher, you are a beginner. So you have to be learn from that mistakes. Third, I will say you have to be I will say stay curious and explore the different approaches, like how we can solve this problem with this way or other way, like that. Second, I will say strength core programming skills. In that, what we have to do, become a like master in algorithm and data structure, array, tree, graph. There's a various point topic. Then I will say understand the time and space complexity, like what the code you are writing, how much time they are taking, how much space they are taking. Basis on that, performance is coming for any application. If you are writing the so lengthy code and that is also taking so much time and space also, so that is not good application. So that's why we have to become a good in algorithm and data structure. Because of that, we know like what data structure, what the code, what the algorithm we can use to make the things faster. Third, I will say practice algorithm efficiency and optimization technique. Next, I will say practice. Practice. Practice regularly. Use coding platforms like LeetCode, HackerRank, Codeforces for the learning point of view. Solve different types of problem like in the array or dynamic programming. There's a multiple options, a multiple topic available. Then you have to be focused on the problem solving consistency, like you are taking as an initial level one day also, that is okay, but you are solving those problems without any help with own point of your mindset. So that is the main things we have to be like work for the quality, not for the quantity. Next, we have to be learn debugging and troubleshooting. Understand the error message and their causes. Use the debugging tool and breakpoint to step through the code. Leverage the print statement and logging for the clarity, like why this exception is coming, what is the causes of this thing it is coming, this problem is coming or this error is coming. Next, I will say understand the problem thoroughly. First read your question 2 times, 3 times for getting the clarity of that. Clarify the requirement and constraint before the coding. Second, I will say write pseudocode or plain the solution. And third, I will consider the edge cases and how your code handle them. but because you see, if you are appearing for the interview or anything like that scenario, you are giving direct solution, they think you are already learn, or you say like you already like mug up the solution and giving the answer like that. So you don't have to be give that type of answer. You have to be understand, properly understand and clarify the requirement. And if it is happening, if it is not there constraint before coding, because they are asking your approaches, they want to see what is the approaches, what way you can think, how many way you can think like that. Next, I will say consider the edge cases, corner cases, like how your code handle them. So that is the main important. Next, I will say work on the real project, because if you don't have any real hands-on project experience, you are not able to give the proper answer, not give the proper, uh, um, I will say, not able to handle or give the problem solution over there. Because if you are facing debugging, testing, creating code, problem solving, like you are applying your thoughts in the code, then you are able to see like, yeah, before this code it is working like this, it is working like that. Contribute open source project for the diverse experience, then collaborate in teams and learn the different perspective. Next, I will say very important, learn from the others. Study other developer solution and approaches. Your senior, your manager, how they are solving, how much time they are taking, what is the tactics or approaches they are applying. Pair programming or join coding community for the learning. Participate in discussion and share the knowledge. Next, we have like work on the time management. Set time limit for solving problem to simulate the interviews. Focus on write efficient and optimized code. Balance between the solving problem correctly and quickly. Next, I will say continuous learning and staying updated as per the market trend. Follow tech blogs, tutorials, and coding books. Stay updated with the latest tool and technology. Join online community like Stack Overflow, Reddit, or GitHub. These are the platform where you can see like lots of student or professional expertise already there. You can ask, you can share your knowledge over there. So that's it about for the today one, and meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Happy learning, happy coding.